Name's Keith Mulkey. Been at Webco for 22 years. Been coil at welder for about a year and a half now. At the beginning of the day, I go to whatever work center my SPM assigns me to that day, look up the order and make sure I'm following all the work instructions and special customer requirements and stuff. Different grades have different kind of welds. If we don't make good product, then the customer's not going to want to stay with Webco. Quality is number one when it comes to making good welds, and we don't want to have any of those fail in the middle of the ocean because it's going to cost Webco a lot. Doing things right the first time is definitely a top priority for when we're doing welds. The X-ray will tell us whether it's good or bad. It does every time. We're all a team, you know, we all work together and try to help each other out. If one guy's having a bad day, we all try to help him out, you know. Everybody tries to help everybody. It's a team environment. You gotta have drive, you gotta have a little bit of common sense. You know, you gotta be willing to get up and come to work every day and do your best.